Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're exploring how to set up an app campaign in Google Ads 2026. App campaigns are perfect for driving installs and engagements, and in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your app reaches the right audience and achieves your goals. Now, before you start, you have to set up your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're going to go to the business.google.com and then you're going to make sure to sign in with your Google account. Once you do that, you're going to click on Start Now and you're going to fill in your business information such as name and website and make sure to enter a valid website. Once you do that, you're going to click on Next and proceed and enter your business information. Once you finish setting up your business, you're going to click on the plus new campaign button and you're going to select App Promotion as your goal. From these objectives right here, you're going to look and find App Promotion. Once you click on it, the second step is to select App Campaign Type. You're going to choose from here the campaign type. From these options right here, we're going to go to and choose the app campaign type. As you can see, it says drive downloads and grow engagement for your app. We're going to select this option right here and click on continue. After that, you're going to configure the campaign settings. You're going to name your campaign and then you're going to set your daily budget and bidding strategies, for example, maximize installs and target CPA. Once you do that, you're going to link your app. You can choose the apps platform, either iOS or Play Store, Android, and you're going to enter the app's package name or app ID from the App Store or Google Play. Then you're going to add creative assets by uploading your app's assets, for example, images and videos and text, and then Google Ads will automatically create ads for different formats. Then you're going to define your target audience by using audience signals to guide Google's AI, and then add demographics and interests and remarketing lists. Then you're going to review and launch by double checking all settings and clicking publish to launch your app's campaign. And that's how you set up an app campaign in Google Ads 2026. With the right targeting and creative strategy, you'll drive more installs and increase engagement. And thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.